everybody, Snowman here with you. Thanks for stopping by MammothSnowman.com. It's a beautiful Friday out here on Mammoth Mountain, and we're gonna do a little video snow report. So let's go check it out. With the rundown solitude. Nice slush in here, nice corny slush. All right, we're on the face of 3 here. All right, we're out on Cornice Bowl here. Nobody here. It's still converting from winter to spring. All right, they just pulled the fencing for the morning racers, so looks like Gremlin's Gulch. Here we come.